Truly? I thought you felt the same as I did. You saw to my needs here in camp with the care of a lover, not a host. But I respect your choice, if that's how you truly feel. Your friendship remains precious to me. A simple no would have sufficed. I will trouble you with the matter no more.
Well, are we ready for the road once more?
Let's talk.
Almost pleasant traveling with company, if you ignore all the less pleasant aspects.
Wonder if the gods are watching me.
I brought my own paring knife. Now I just need some ingredients, and I'm gonna make something really good, I promise.
Let's see. What's up for discussion?
I've had my eye on you. Hot as brimstone, jagged as lightning, and seething like the river Styx. But there's something missing, isn't there? You're hungry for pleasures beyond this plane. Something more satisfying than mortal flesh, blood, and bone. The ecstasy of agony, the pain of the damned, distilled into pure bliss. Beyond every climax you've known, the little death writ large. Smile, and I'll come to you when you put your head down to rest. I will sate your most forbidden lusts. Or don't, and know the eternal ache of the unknown and the unanswered. Tonight, then, be ready. I go.
Take your
Let's spill some blood.
Battle favors the fearless.
Let me see your wounds.
Another step forward.
That nearly ended me. Keep them guessing.
The blade will not bend.
Looking ahead. What path lies before me?
God, it hurts!
And here I go.
What's hiding here?
Yes?
Anything of use?
What now? Easy. One step at a time.
Let's get on with it.
Take your
Shouldn't have wished to live in more interesting times.
What the I
There are
spy a
traps
trap.
about.
Let's move. Time to press ahead. What's that?
Don't touch me. Yes, let's. That might be worth a look. What have we here? Flowers are so overrated. They're bright, gaudy, and almost never make good poisons. Each their own, I suppose. Although I am
We'd only
right.
made the effort. If we'd only pushed through.
I know, love. I think about it too.
Sharp as ever. Sure, why not?
What are you looking at? We're allowed breaks. Contract says so.
Oh, this one's corked.
Checking things out.
2 reds for Flery. 1 red.
Isn't that strange? What I'd give.
Welcome to Lady JANNATH'S celebration of the arts. Lady JANNATH is a dedicated patron of the arts. She doesn't care for status or wealth, human or dragonborn. If you have talent, she'll nurture it. Today's event is a public showing of many fine pieces she has commissioned. Decidedly not. I have more to do with dust brushes than paint brushes. I am Lady JANNATH'S butler.
Enjoy the party, sir.
It's rather hard to appreciate this peace when you keep interrupting me.
As I suggested, he has plenty of land out in Arm.
An arm?
I wonder how much Ferelia wants for
Now
it.
that would be a party. I'd recognize those mischievous eyes anywhere. The great art dealer, Vlemin. I love your work. You must be here incognito, scouting new talent. Fear not, your secret's safe with me. Has anything caught...
If you see Lady Jannath, do tell her that we've run out of lobster, won't you?
Say that and give me back my gold. I spent half my fortune on that bloody painting of yours!
As well you should have, because it isn't a counterfeit.
Then you leave me no choice, sir. We settle this outside, now!
You're making a big mistake, Garan. This ends only one way.
With you paying me back. Say you'll return the money, and we can both leave alive!
I simply don't have it. You see, I spent it on a real painting.
Oh, you've mocked me enough, Delaware! We begin in 3, 2...
My laundress had better get this blood out. Garan should have left it alone. He never did know when to accept defeat.
All the way from the upper city for this hers, and she's holding back on us. She has an original.
You served this to Lady Jannath?
My apologies, sir. I must continue serving from the kitchen.
You shouldn't disturb painters at their easels, and you shouldn't disturb chefs in their kitchens. Art requires focus.
Will we have to feed? No small talk in the kitchen. Chef's orders. How did you
Not everyone subscribes to what is mine is yours, it seems.
Should I slice the radishes like
just a bit of harmless workplace gossip. We all do it.
If you're hungry, go to the kitchen. I'm on a break.
Piece of cake? Or just turn off to the shop when I'm told to.
How many more mouths?
You've set foot in a restricted area. A swift exit may be in order.
A new face. How wonderful. Always good to see fresh interest in the arts. Please, enjoy the day. Just don't touch anything. Ah, you're a fellow collector. I see no harm in that. I've a few pieces gathering dust.
I'm ready. Whatever it takes.
Careful.
At least things have stayed interesting.
The hero at heart. Onward.
You've been seen re-entering a forbidden area. Apparently it's becoming rather tiresome.
Pack your things. You're no longer a member of this staff.
I'm sorry, Mr. Mercer. It was an accident.
Lady Jannath tolerates many things, but your clumsiness, it is unacceptable. If you wish to treat this like an alehouse, then go and work in one. Why does Tarhan hire some? This is a staff area, sir. Anything a guest could want can be found downstairs.